Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video we are going to learn about operators that was left behind in the previous video. So I'm going to cover the whole operator part in this video. So let us understand what are operators. Operators are the tokens that trigger some computation when applied to variables and other objects in an expression. Basically it means that operators are the tokens which trigger some action between variables. And remember one more thing, on which the operators are applied are called operands. Now you can see on the screen there is a plus b, so the plus sign is an operator and a and b are operands on which the operator, that is the plus sign, which is applied. So now there are two types of operators. One is unary operator, second one is binary operator. So unary operators are those operators that require only one operand to operate upon. Like on the screen you can see minus a, plus 1, minus 1. These are the examples of unary operators which only requires one operand to perform upon. Now if we talk about binary operators, then binary operators are those operators that require at least two operands to perform upon. Like here you can see the example of one binary operator. So here are some types of binary operators. First one is arithmetic operator. So these are the basic mathematical operators we all know. First one is division, then subtraction, then multiplication, then division. So what this next one does is, when you divide a number by a number, then the answer will be the quotient. But here when you divide a number by another number using this modulus sign, the answer will be the remainder. Like if we take for example, then here you can see 5 modulus 2 is equals to 1. If we divide 5 by 2, then the remainder will be 1. So here are some other types of binary operators. We cannot learn these by just reading. So while doing the practical in further videos, we will learn about these. So moving on to the next one, we have relational operators. These are really important to learn because what the basics of programming you will do in the further videos are related to these only. So these operators tell the relation between two operands or two variables. So here is the example on the screen. You can see a is equals to b and a is greater than b. These tell the relation between two operands a and b. So a is equals to b in the first one and a is greater than b in the second one. So these are the tasks that relational operator performs. So next one is assignment operators. These are also a really important part of Python programming language. So what this does is, these are the assignment operators. So it assigns the value. You take one variable and you take some value, and you can assign that value to that particular variable. As you can see the example on the screen, a is equals to 2. That means the value 2 is assigned to the variable a. So the last of binary operators are logical operators and membership operators. These also we will learn in the further videos, because right now it is impossible to just tell about them and give examples so you can learn. So this is not possible. While doing the practicals in the further videos, we will learn about them. As you can see, there is a line written, more about these operators we will learn in due course. Giving descriptions and examples not feasible and possible right now at the moment. So guys, that's it for the video. We have some more topics left in Python fundamentals, which is chapter number 2 of Python programming language of class 11th. We will complete that in the next video, and we will finish off this chapter and start with the next one. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't joined the group already, then the link is in the description box. So check it out, and let's meet in the next one.